Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to HIMedia Helpdesk. I am your host, and I'm going to explain to you today what data types are in Java. So I got the four big ones in front of me right now. I have int, double, char, and string. I'm going to go into what each of these are and why they're important, and what are data types. So to start, data types denote. Data types are basically how much space on your Java virtual machine is dedicated to information. And some are bigger than others. You know, a char is smaller than, say, an integer, or double is bigger than an integer. A char is smaller than an int, a double is bigger than an int. Hell, I might be getting those mixed up, but the point is that when you're doing large scale development, every bit of memory matters. So being able to micromanage what type of, yes, you very well could have integer values for doubles, but the amount of memory allocated for that probably isn't intelligent to use. You're gonna when you have hundreds and hundreds, when you have things like arrays and hundreds of arrays and hundreds of variables and just data upon data upon data, having a bunch of wasted up, taking up memory like that isn't good. So here we just introduce data types. So an integer is just that. If you remember anything from math, an integer is a number that is either positive, negative, or 0. And that's literally all you can have as an integer. Now, a double can be a positive, a negative, or 0, but it also has a decimal sign. So we could have 0.1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And that basically allows you to do calculations with decimal places. So if you were to say divide two integers, if you were to divide an integer by another integer, you would have to make the answer a double. So the answer would have to be a double ANS, or for answer, equals that calculation. A char is one character. And when I say character, I mean a letter, a number, a symbol, etc. But it's just one. So it's similar. If you can relate it to a char, is like an integer for letters. And a string, which I'm about to get to, is like a double, because a string is a kind of a collection of characters, and they can be as big or small as you want to be. And I want to also note that it can also be one as well. In usually good form is for characters you use single quotes, and for strings you use double. This has been HIMedia Helpdesk. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time.